Over the past decade, index funds and exchange traded funds, ETFs, have been selling like hotcakes, with more and more investors opting for the simpler approach of gaining exposure to how a particular stock market or bond market performs. This is instead of attempting to try and beat it through selecting an active fund manager, although of course there are no guarantees that the fund manager will beat the index. At Interactive Investor, we have seen over the past couple of years high demand for global and US funds that track the up and down fortunes of the stock market, which are called passive funds. In terms of active funds, there are 5 that feature in our top 10 most bought funds and investment trusts over the past year. Let's briefly run through them. So this fund, it owns a diversified basket of relatively safe bonds that are due to mature soon, normally within a couple of months, meaning that investors can earn an income on their cash with minimal risk. It has a yield of close to 5% and it is competitively priced. Its yearly ongoing charge is 0.1%. This investment trust invests in disruptive growth companies listed on the stock market, and it also has around a quarter of the portfolio in private companies which retail investors cannot buy themselves. Its top 3 holdings are Elon Musk's SpaceX, Amazon, and Latin American e-commerce giant Mercado Libre. This fund offers exposure to a fast-growing economy that has favourable demographics, including a young population. Now, India's stock market, it's enjoyed a good spell of performance over the past couple of years, and investors buying today will be hoping that the purple patch continues. This is an investment trust, and as its name suggests, it invests in UK wind farms. It aims to provide investors with a yearly dividend that increases in line with RPI inflation. This has successfully been achieved each year since the trust launched in 2013. That track record and its high yield, currently 8.7%, have both been attracting investors. This fund is managed by star fund manager Terry Smith, whose long-term returns have built up a strong reputation. Smith focuses on high-quality companies. That means firms with established businesses, reliable profits, and steady growth. Smith's investment philosophy is to buy good companies and then do nothing. This is a concentrated portfolio and it currently has 26 holdings.